IRS tax refund update. We have the latest numbers from the IRS.gov website on the amount of tax returns still waiting to be processed. We are going to go over refund time in code 151. We are also going to go over the next direct deposit date, and we have the Saturday locations for March. These are the walk-in appointments where you can get assistance with your delayed tax refunds. So make sure to get a pen and paper ready, and welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another update. Let's start with refund time in code 151. The IRS issues more than 9 out of 10 refunds in less than 21 days. If you file on paper, it can take up to 6 months to be completed. Remember also, it is possible that your 2022 tax return may require additional review and take longer than that 21 days. If your tax refund isn't what you expected, if it is a lower amount, remember the IRS do make corrections to your tax returns, like they make corrections to the credits. You may owe a balance, and that is why your tax refund was reduced. If the IRS make any changes to your refund, they will send you notification by mail. Now, here is the numbers on the amount of tax returns still waiting to be processed, updated on IRS.gov March 3rd, 2023. The IRS is reporting 2.2 million unprocessed individual tax returns. That includes 2021 and 2022. 2.0 million of those returns require correction, and 220,000 are paper returns waiting to be processed. Now, as for the amended tax returns 1040X, they have currently 503,000 unprocessed forms 1040X. Those are your amended tax returns that can take up to 20 weeks to process. Remember, you need to check the Where Is My Amended Return tool for the status of your refund, and not the Where Is My Refund tool. Now, as I just mentioned, the IRS may make corrections to your tax return based on mistakes, missing information, suspected identity theft, or fraud. If they can fix anything on your 2022 tax return, they will fix it without contacting you. If they need additional information from you, they will send you notification by mail. Make sure you respond as soon as possible. The resolution of these tax returns under review can take up to 120 days to be processed and completed. Now, drum roll, the next expected direct deposit date shared is March 8, 2023. Please share with us in the comment section if you did receive an expected direct deposit date and for when. All right. And here we are with the locations for the Saturday walk-in appointments. You can get assistance with your delayed tax refund on these particular days at these particular local taxpayer centers. All right, I'm not going to read all of the address. You can pause it and review it at your convenience. So the date is March 11th, 2023 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And we're going to start with Alabama, Alaska, and Arizona. Next, California. Here are the locations. Next, Colorado, Connecticut, and District of Columbia. Next, we have Florida and Georgia. Next, we have Hawaii, Illinois, and Kansas. Next, we have Kentucky, Louisiana, and Maine. Next, we have Maryland, Michigan, and Mississippi. And we have Missouri and Nebraska. Next, we have Nevada, New Hampshire, and New Mexico, and New York and North Carolina. Next, Ohio, Oregon, and Pennsylvania. And we have Puerto Rico and South Dakota. Texas, here are the locations. Utah, Washington, and West Virginia. So these are all the locations for the Saturday walk-in appointments for March. Make sure if you need to attend one, you write it down and make preparations for these particular 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on March 11th. Don't forget to check out the income tax refund playlist pinned in the comment section.